Hi, this is Dan from Executron. I'm going to show you what we've done with the TaxJar company and how we've integrated that into PIMS. TaxJar is a company that will look up tax rates all over the country and, well, effectively all over the world, and will allow PIMS to automatically calculate the tax rate to be charged on an order regardless of where you're shipping it. It's all calculated automatically. So let me show you here in this quick and dirty video how it works and how to set it up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go up to PIMS Preferences, Modify External Settings, and go to Tax APIs. Here's your TaxJar credentials. All you do is you paste in the API key that they'll send you, click Activate, and TaxJar will also send a flag back as to whether or not for a particular address that you need to charge tax on shipping and handling. And so you can turn those on or off. I would recommend having them on because TaxJar figures it out for you. So anyhow, that's all you got to do for setup. Hit save. And a couple of things you need to make sure you turn off in PIMS. Let's go to EDC Accounting, Accounting Preferences, and what you want to do is if out of state, default invoice to non-taxable, you want to make sure that's off. Obviously, you're going to be charging tax out of state if you're going to use TaxJar. So just make sure that's turned off. And that's pretty much it for setup. Now let me show you how it works. I'm going to go ahead and create an order. And by the way, it only works on the full order entry screen, not the little POS screen. That's to keep the POS screen as fast as possible. So let's go ahead and enter my favorite barbecue joint in Driftwood, Texas. And you'll see that it changed from our default tax rate in the system to 7.75%. And that is what the tax rate is in Driftwood, Texas. Let's go ahead and put a line item on here. Now you'll notice some percentages here next to shipping and handling. That's telling us that TaxJar says that we do in fact need to charge tax on shipping and handling. And you'll see that the tax has changed based on that. So let's go back. I'm going to pick another location for Salt Lick. This is in Nevada. You'll see the tax rate changed immediately. And here you'll notice the percentages are gone, which means that Nevada does not require us, or at least Las Vegas, that we charge tax on shipping and handling. So just on the products themselves. Now, if you download orders from the web, they'll come in as worksheets. So let's go ahead and change this to a worksheet. Now, when you go and turn those, actually there's several systems that these can come in from, other systems that create orders for you. When you turn it into an invoice, it will run the tax calculation and figure it out for whatever address you have up here. So there's literally nothing you have to do. It's real simple. As long as the state, zip, and country code are filled in, then PIMS will run the calculation and look up the tax for you. You don't need to click any buttons. You don't need to think about it. Other places it happens, obviously, when you turn it into an invoice, if you clear the ship to, PIMS will use the bill to if the ship to is blank. But if you have a ship to in here, and again, let's look up another customer. There we go. Let's look up us. Ship to only, and it changed it to 9%. So pretty much anywhere where the address you're going to be sending it to changes, PIMS will recalculate for you. Now, if you want, well, here, let's just go ahead and get that back over there. Now, if you want to relook up the tax rate, here's some hidden things. If you click tax rate, it will relook it up if you need to for any reason. And if you click on tax right here, this word, it will look it up for you before it displays everything here, and it shows you all your tax parameters and whatnot. And that's it. It is simple to use, it is extremely fast, and it is built in. So that's what we've done so far with TaxJar. Thank you.